Hey you guys, it's Affiliate.Watch here, and I'm super pumped up to be going over A2 Hosting affiliate program. I went over this affiliate program a couple years ago, but I wanted to make a new video because it's one of the best affiliate programs out there, and an affiliate last year made $500,000 off this affiliate program. If you don't know what Affiliate.Watch is, it's a platform to find the best affiliate programs in the world. In today's video, we're going to be going over the A2 Hosting affiliate program. I'm going to explain why it's one of the best affiliate programs out there. I'm going to show you a little bit about the product and show you how to sign up as an affiliate. So it pays $55 to $125 per sale. And if you bring in a ton of sales, you can actually negotiate a custom deal with them. And on top of that, guys, it's a two-tier affiliate program. So if you get affiliates underneath of you, you will earn $5 for every sale they bring in. The cookie length is very generous at 90 days. They pay out via PayPal or wire transfer. It's an independent affiliate program using the very popular affiliate software called Post Affiliate Pro. The company's been around since 2001. And it's an absolutely great affiliate program, and I'm making really good commissions on it. And this is their homepage right here. So it's like most WordPress or most web hosting companies out there. If you've ever seen a web hosting website, their shared hosting starts at just $2.99 a month. So that's an absolutely great deal. And they provide shared hosting, managed WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated server hosting, reseller hosting, email hosting, turbo hosting, cPanel hosting, business hosting, e-commerce hosting, etc., etc. Pretty much hosting for everything you can think of. And they also provide free website migration. So if you're on a current host and you want to switch to A2, they can help migrate that for free. They have a money-back guarantee, and they also have a 99.9% uptime commitment. And it's a really good web hosting company. It's one of the biggest web hosting companies in the world right now. And their affiliate program is very generous. You can see right here, one affiliate last year earned over $500,000. That's their top affiliate. You can see the commission breakdown right here. So if you get 1 to 10 sales per month, you'll get $55 per sale. 11 to 15 sales per month, you'll get $75 per sale. 16 to 20 sales per month, $100 per sale. 21 plus sales, $125 per sale. And you can contact their affiliate manager to work out a larger custom commission for you if you're generating a lot more than 21 sales. Here's some little features about the affiliate program. So they have real-time affiliate stats, 90-day cookie, deep linking, and a few other cool things. And you can see right here they have affiliates from over 6 different countries. They paid out over $1 million last year, and one affiliate earned over $500,000, guys. And to sign up to the affiliate program is super easy. It's just a very simple application that looks like this. It takes about 5 minutes to fill out, and you can go ahead and get started. So their default payout method is via PayPal, but you can see right here that they also offer wire transfers for payouts of $1,000 or more. So I highly recommend this affiliate program, guys. It's absolutely great. If you have any questions about A2 web hosting or the affiliate program, leave them down below. And if you want to check out other good affiliate programs, make sure to check out Affiliate.Watch. And if you want to find two-tier programs like A2 hosting, you can come to our homepage and click the two-tier button right here, and you can see all the popular two-tier affiliate programs out there. And two-tier is a great way to get affiliates underneath of you, making money for you, and it provides a lot of opportunity. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.